When we started BiteSize Learning, it certainly we were pulling together standalone programs. I think the first one we wrote was managing change, and that was for a client that had a change program going on. They wanted to put all of their staff through some shortened version of managing change, so that they had an across the board understanding, that they had the same start point. And the first few programs that we wrote were absolutely written as standalone programs. We've sort of continued that on and made sure that all of our programs are robust, that we have experts looking at that particular subject and making sure that we're up to date. I've got the latest thinking in everything that we do. But I guess over time, the beauty has been in looking at and working with our clients to pull these programs together to solve their quite unique problems. And often their unique problems can be solved just by the way that we might put a program together. So, it is fairly common in most organizations that perhaps are doing a round of appraisals or performance management, that they would want not just the performance management module, but they would also want the giving and receiving feedback module on that as well. So we might run that as a longer single program with the two elements together, or maybe two separate programs if we're running it virtually. Where it's really come to life is in the leadership development area, where we have put together many programs for organizations, either into putting all of this into 2-day or 3-day blocked programs, or programs that might run over 18 months or a year, where we take our participants on a journey. And they will vary from organisation to organisation. For some organisations, it's essential that they have, managing change as part of that leadership journey. For other more stable organisations, they're saying that's not the essential piece for us, and maybe they've got an issue around feedback or around delegation. So we can make sure that those programs are built in there. So, it's interesting. We continue to see some of our new programs form part of standard leadership programs. Inclusive leadership has become a staple within the leadership program. Over time, everything in our leadership development suite has started to take on that flavour of inclusive leadership as well. So it's interesting to see not only how the way that we put programs together develops, but how the content changes based upon the challenges that organisations face right now.